In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Wix account. Whether you're looking to streamline your digital presence or simply move on from Wix, I've got you covered. Before we dive in, make sure you've backed up any important data associated with your Wix account, such as content, images, and site information, as the deletion process is irreversible. First, let's begin by logging into your Wix account. If you're already logged in, that's great. If not, simply head over to w.wix.com and enter your login credentials. Once you're inside, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard. This area is the control center for all things related to your websites and account settings. From here, there's a wealth of options available, but for our purpose today, we'll be honing in on a few specific areas. Next, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the dashboard, where you'll see your profile icon. Clicking on this will present a drop-down menu. Here, look for the Account Settings option. This section is the gateway to a variety of management tools concerning your Wix profile and services. Clicking on it will lead you into more detailed account-specific preferences. Once inside the account settings, you'll see a list on the left-hand side. You'll notice sections for managing subscriptions, updates, and billing information, among others. However, what we're interested in is the option that leads you to delete your account. Look for the section labeled Account in the list. You'll find it under this category, usually towards the bottom of the options. Upon selecting Delete Account, Wix will prompt you to review any remaining obligations. This could include outstanding payments on active subscriptions or recently ended trials. They do this to ensure everything is in order before the final step is taken. It's important to clear up any pending issues to ensure a smooth account deletion process. Now comes the moment of confirmation. After addressing any pending issues and thoroughly ensuring you're ready to proceed, you'll find yourself at the step for final confirmation. Here, Wix will ask you to confirm your decision to delete the account permanently. It's worth taking a moment to consider if this is what you truly want, as this action cannot be undone. You'll want to read through any prompts carefully and decide if you're ready to say goodbye to your Wix presence. Once you confirm, your Wix account will be queued for deletion. At this point, all your data and website content associated with that account will eventually be wiped from Wix's servers. It's that simple. I hope this guide was helpful and clear, and if you have any lingering questions about the process, feel free to check out additional resources or contact Wix support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your digital endeavors.